This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, homework number 19, question number 10. Two identical positive charges exert a force of 6 times 10 to the minus 9th newtons when separated by a distance of 3.5 times 10 to the minus 10th meters. Calculate the charge of each. So I have my electric force equals K times the amount of the first charge times the amount of the second charge divided by the distance between them squared. In this case, I know that the first charge is going to be the same as the second charge, so I'm just going to call them both Q. What that means is that I'm going to get my electric force is going to be K times Q over R squared, or K Q squared over R squared. Now if I want to solve for Q, what I've got to do is multiply by R squared. So I'm going to say Q equals, let's see, it's going to be the force electric times R squared divided by K. See, I bring the K down, bring the R squared up, so the R squared up, the K down, and the Q squared is over here, so Q is going to be the square root of all of that. So now I can have that my charge is going to be the square root of the electric force, which is 6 times 10 to the minus 9th newtons, times the distance between them, 3.5 times 10 to the minus 10th meters, squared, divided by my K, which is 8.98755 times 10 to the 9th. That is going to be my answer. Some people are tempted when they say Q1, Q2, they'll try to divide this by 2 instead of square rooting it. But you want to square root it because this is Q times Q, not Q plus Q.